Okay, well, it's me and the mud mixer today. My help hasn't arrived yet, so I'm gonna get started on it. I have to do this one section first, which is a 10 by 10 section, right around 8-inch thick. It's gonna take about 2.5 pallets of concrete, I believe. But before I do all that, I gotta unload the concrete, which is the biggest part. The big part of the job. But what I'm gonna do is put about 25 bags of concrete on one pallet, and then do and then have 4 or 5 pallets total. So that way, when I'm ready to bring it next to the machine, it'll be a whole lot easier. So preparation is key in order to get it to work flawlessly. So we'll see how it goes. So as you guys can see, the pallets is a little bit farther out there. So what I gotta do is I gotta wrap a chain around the back of the pallet and use skid steers to bring it back over here. You'll see. So I'm just gonna wrap it around the back of one of these forks right here. That's the easiest way to bring the pallet close enough to pick it up. Okay, everything is set now. I'm getting ready to pour. I got about, water pressure here is right around 60, almost 60 psi. So as soon as I hit it, it comes down to 45. So I got this dial set right around, I don't know, 30. Yep. So I'm gonna use the extended hopper as well to pour this little pad right here. I got the mud mixer slanted slightly towards the front there, so the mix doesn't go back towards the motor. See how it goes. It's probably 7 o'clock, so I'm thinking I should be done in about 2.5 hours with the pour. Once I'm done with that, I'll just scrape it. Alright, so this is the concrete after about 2 hours. Let's see, what time is it? 3 hours. I thought to clean it up. You put it in there.
This right here?
Huh? Okay. It took about 3 hours actually. No, 2 hours to do it. 2 hours to do it, so Yeah, I gotta spray it now. Man, this took forever to dry, but I just gotta do a final touch on it, and
Daddy,
it should be done.
talking for who?
Huh?
Why are you talking for who?
I'm talking to the camera.
Daddy, she's
Okay. All right. Let me get to work. Well, all right. This is the final touch.
I work.
So
Dad, I work.
it's working.
Oh,
All set. Come back and take the form out in the middle here tomorrow.
Mickey Mouse.
Clean up. Do the other side tomorrow.